Hi, I'm April with WTI, and if you're looking for a helping hand in the kitchen, you should get for yourself this stainless steel spoon rest from Gourmet Easy. I love that it's so large. I can rest all different sizes of utensils on it. From large to small, it can handle it all. So no matter what utensil I'm using, it's got me covered. It conveniently catches all of those little drips, keeping my stove and counter surfaces nice and clean. Then I can simply rinse it clean or toss it in the dishwasher. I appreciate that not only does it have some serious weight to it, making it high quality, it feels really durable and looks so pretty and shiny. I also enjoy using it as a stylish little serving dish. It can make so many little snacks look very interesting to a lot. I have found that it holds a very reasonable serving size on most items, and it looks great doing it. And that's my point of view.